This is 48 hours later. And look what happened to the control. Look how much shorter it is. See what happened to it. Woo, good. Okay, so no salt, no sugar. Notice that the sugar went up. And you see this sediment of sugar on the surface. We have a showboat here. Sugar on the surface of the celery. And then lift the salt went up. The half teaspoon of salt added to the solution. And you have some shriveling. Okay, that's very interesting.
Maybe the salt and the sugar protected it from
bacterial growth, and I think that is the case. And look at that. Look at the micro capillaries. You can see the little punctate areas where the food coloring went up. Now, this happened within 24 hours. All of them. I couldn't compare which was fastest because I looked and they were had all happened.
How about we cut one in half though?
Let's cut one in half. Okay. Well, let's get this handy dandy knife. Let's take this one out. All right.
How about we cut each of them in half?
One of you go ahead and hold the camera with me so that I can cut it.
Can I?
What?
Can I?
Wait, Abby.
Well, wait just a minute, Abby. You go ahead. Go ahead. You got it honed in?
You have to hold it up high enough so people can see.
It's all right.
Finger going away.
Is the finger in the way? Okay. All right. And then you look through the cross section.
What?
And it doesn't look much different, but let's look up here. This is some of the densest celery I think I've ever seen. Do you see the micro channels? How it's going up? I was expecting the orange color to just shine translucently throughout. This is so dense that it really just kind of disappointed me. But that's what science is. You don't just say this is what's going to happen a priori before the experience. You experiment and see. So Richard Feynman said, I don't care how smart you are, if it disagrees with your experiment, it's wrong. And good old genius Richard Feynman, great physicist, mathematician. So that's what science is.
I don't even know if
let's
I
cut
see
through this
one.
nitty gritty. It doesn't even cut. Okay, let's cut up here. That, is there any loss of integrity compared to the sugared one? I don't know.
That's kind of weird that you're seeing it at the top and not in the center.
Well, there's more channels, and so the way plants suck fluids up to go to the leaves is through those microcapillary channels. And also the way our bodies have capillaries. They call them capillaries. The vessels get so thin that the red blood cells of our body have to line up single file in order to get through. Isn't that pretty amazing? And then the oxygen transmits through those one-celled capillaries of our body. All right, so that's the end of our celery experiment, as gross as it was. All right, thank you so much.